Morning guys, this morning I'm going to be making Jamaican Easter buns. Baking powder, margarine or butter, mixed spice, allspice, pumpkin pie spice. I'm using this as my own little twist on the recipe. Most people say bun spice, but I couldn't find bun spice, so that's why I'm using pumpkin pie spice. Browning for the color, vanilla, jam. Use strawberry jam if you don't have guava jam. Cinnamon powder, nutmeg powder. I like to use fresh nutmeg because I just like the flavor when it is freshly grounded. Dragon stout, some people use Guinness as well. Honey, brown sugar, flour, all-purpose or counter flour, 2 eggs, salt, and some fruit soaking in wine and a rum mixture.